Prepare to embark on a spine-tingling journey through some of the world's eeriest accommodations. From haunted hotels to restless spirits, we'll explore these ghostly destinations that will send shivers down your spine. Our first chilling stop is the Stanley Hotel in Estes Park, Colorado. This historic hotel, the inspiration behind Stephen King's The Shining, has had numerous reports of ghostly encounters. One guest described hearing the sound of children playing in unoccupied rooms. Next, we venture to the Queen Mary in Long Beach, California. Once a luxurious ocean liner, it's now a hotel with a sinister side. Visitors report ghostly crew members and passengers wandering the decks. A spine-tingling tale tells of a ghostly little girl playing by herself in the pool area. Our journey continues to the haunted halls of the Langham Hotel in London, England. This elegant hotel has hosted dignitaries and celebrities over the years, including Mark Twain. Guests have claimed to encounter the spirit of a Victorian-era doctor who roams the corridors. Now, we're off to the Crescent Hotel in Eureka Springs, Arkansas. Known as the most haunted hotel in America, it offers nightly ghost tours. Some brave souls have described chilling encounters with apparitions and voices from the past. It's said that the ghost of a nurse named Theodora still cares for patients in the afterlife. Our penultimate stop brings us to the heart of San Francisco, California, and the Queen Anne Hotel. This charming Victorian-era hotel is said to be haunted by the ghost of Miss Mary Lake, a former headmistress of a finishing school that once occupied the building. Guests have shared stories of unexplained cold spots and the feeling of being watched in their rooms. As we venture abroad, our final destination takes us to the historic and ghostly Château de Brissac in Brissac, France. This magnificent castle is haunted by the Green Lady, a restless spirit who roams its grand halls. Guests have reported glimpses of her in the early hours of dawn. That wraps up our spine-tingling journey through these eerie accommodations. Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, spending a night in these haunted hotels is an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling travel content. Thanks for joining us on this ghostly getaway.